Hello everybody, Mark32812 here again. This is video number 14 of the MAK 90 rebuild project. Today I'm going to just clean out the inside of this. In the last video I pulled out the trigger, the original factory trigger, and now I'm just going to remove some of the excess buildup in there that's been in there since. I'm just going to use a bottle of Hoppy's number 9. It's almost empty. I want to get rid of the bottle. Could use that fancy tactical cool guy stuff, but hey, this thing works. Besides, fire clean is under enough stress right now. Oops. Only got a little bit left at the bottom of the container, so might as well use this. Scrubbing those places where we normally can't reach. Of course, good can of gun scrubber. Get a lot of it also. Trying to get underneath the rails. Some more time watching the screen I am what I'm actually doing. For some damn medical grade Q-tips. Really get it in there where can't do it. Normally I just take this thing out and just blast the can of gun scrubber, but really can't do that. You know, the anti-gun neighbors have a hissy fit. They see me outside with an AK. I know it's a MAK, but they won't know the difference. Okay. I'll switch over to my highly scientific and very expensive Brownie paper towels, or whatever brand you got. I know this isn't the uber tactical cool guy way of cleaning, but works for me. Get the excess crap up and I'll now I got the inside cleaned up. I'm just gonna use a little bit of my milk jug of CLP here. Just a little bit on my finger. Rub it around. Well, doesn't have to be pretty. Let that sit for a while. I'll just wipe out in a few minutes. Okay, now I got the inside nice and clean. Got a little CLP down there. It's a little preserving, but the steel doesn't seem to rust too much, so I don't think I really have to worry about cleaning it as much. Just wanted to get the junk out of there. In my next video, I'm going to start on installing the Tapco G2 trigger, and I'll see if I can get the Krebs retaining plate in it. Of course, have to do everything bass backwards with this, but we'll see how it goes. This is Mark 32812. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.